Hey, let's practice this song we've been learning together at school lately. See if you can remember the hand motions and the words for this one. Here we go. We love going walking and everybody's talking about how we're always filled with glee, because love grows where the nature class goes, like flowers and plants and trees. Our whole school day is outside, our minds are open so wide, our learning is so wild and free, because love grows where the nature class goes, like flowers and plants and trees. We don't get tired hiking up hills, and we don't mind a chill, 'cause we dress really warm. We love it when it's sunny out, but we would never pout if there was a snowstorm. No, we wouldn't. Our whole school day is outside, our minds are open so wide, our learning is so wild and free, because love grows where the nature class goes, like flowers and plants and trees and scarecrows.